Hi there. In this video on PMN Online, we are going to cover how to use the Grok AI Image-to-Video Generator. Let's dive right into the fascinating world of transforming your static images into dynamic videos using the Grok AI Image-to-Video Generator. This tool is a game changer, especially if you're a content creator, educator, or just someone who wants to inject a bit of excitement into your presentations. Imagine turning your ordinary images into engaging video content that captivates your audience. That's exactly what you'll learn to do in this guide, as we walk through each step of the process. To begin with, you'll want to head over to your web browser and open Google. In the search bar, type in the word Grok. This platform is known for its AI-powered creative tools that allow users to experiment with AI-generated art and media. Once you search for Grok, you'll see its official website appearing among the top search results. Click on the link to gain access to this innovative platform. Upon entering the Grok website, you'll want to navigate to the Imagine section. This is essentially the creative hub where you'll be developing your image-to-video project. Once you're in this section, you'll start by crafting your prompt. Now, what exactly is a prompt? Think of it as a set of instructions that you provide to the AI. These instructions will guide the AI in creating a video based on your image. The more detailed and clear your prompt is, the more accurately the AI will be able to produce the video you envision. It's like providing a blueprint for your video masterpiece. After you've prepared your prompt, Grok allows you to upload your image file. This is a crucial step, as this image will serve as the foundation for your video. Ensure that your image is in a compatible format and is of high quality to achieve the best possible video outcome. To upload, simply click on the Upload a File button and browse through your computer's folders to select your desired image. Once your image is uploaded and your prompt is ready, it's time to generate the video. Look for the Make a Video option and click on it. The platform will then begin the transformation process, converting your static image into a dynamic animated video. This process might take a little time, depending on how detailed your prompt is and the size of the image file you uploaded. So, while the platform works its magic, you might want to grab a quick coffee break. And just like that, your image-to-video transformation is complete. You can now view your newly created video. If you're happy with the result, go ahead and download it. You can share this video wherever you like, be it for a presentation, on social media, or just for the sheer joy of creating something unique from a single image. That's it for this tutorial on how to use the Grok AI Image-to-Video Generator. If you found it useful, hit subscribe and stay tuned for more helpful videos.